Again, congratulations to you on behalf of our whole network.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Hello and welcome to this special interview on the sidelines of our We Women Want 2026 event. We have with us a very well-known filmmaker and producer from the industry, Amita Madhvani, who joins us. She's co-founder and CEO for Equinox Virtual. Thank you for being with us today in Delhi.
Thank you so much, Gaurav, for having. It's a pleasure. Seems like we've connected once earlier already. So life takes us back into the front.
It's a full circle, as they say. But I'll begin with the question I'm asking all our awardees today. Where do you derive your inner Shakti from? You're winning the Shakti Award today here.
From my parents. We all always start at the very beginning. There is no bigger Shakti than your parents. And I would say parents, mother and father, for the world that they brought us in, which was started with nothing that they didn't have, but there was a lot of knowledge, there was a lot of giving, and there was a trust field which was filled with no comparison. So I derive my Shakti from the power of these two completely. One front footer was a doctor, a freedom fighter, my father, and who I'm living in a free India thanks to him being a freedom fighter, then became a doctor, spiritual leader, and my mother, very importantly, वो आदमी जो पीछे से सबसे ज़्यादा काम करता है, उनकी मेहनत, वो मैंने देखी है. So for me, that kind of Shakti is embedded. You never realize तुम ऐसे माहौल में बड़ी हो रही हो जब तुम बड़ी हो जाती हो. You're never compared, you're never judged, you have an opinion, you walk. If you don't know enough, you're fine. If you know enough, also you're fine. And it's never in a field of comparison. So I think the Shakti field, I think I'm blessed that I was born into this family.
You know, I will get to your childhood in just a second and how you got into this field. But, talking now about AI in entertainment, because you are also one of the leaders in this field. What is the impact that artificial intelligence is going to have on the entertainment industry? Has the impact already begun, and what does the future hold?
Actually, it's a very interesting question because I've been asked that a lot. One of the things that we decided to do, and as a nature, the person that I am as a producer, we'll have बात नहीं करनी है, हम करके दिखाएंगे. So we went ahead and launched something which is called Mohini the Musical, which is on Insta series. So you realize that there are many fields that AI is being discussed about. One is definitely the structural way that it can kind of, structure your entire production processes. It can help you with so many things. It can help your finances, this, that, all the back end. But what it helps us, when we are putting a project together and you want to present to like suppose you're doing a feature film, live, jo Ram karega abhi, but he has a mind, he's a visualist, right? Now you put all those spectrums together and you have a presentation. And then you give it to the HODs. What happens is they are all seeing the same field. They're seeing exactly what he's going to be visualizing, and then he will go and do it. For me with Mohini, it became कि how am I going to have AI to emote? तो छोटी स्क्रीन पे बड़ा धमाका. इसमें गाने हैं, इसमें स्टोरी है, इसमें हिंदी की स्टोरी मैंने लिखी है, गाने मैंने लिखे हुए हैं. A simple girl, simple धरती पे पैर रख के लड़की की कहानी. जो ये इसमें लड़की है, but it's for every human being, So we wanted to put out something without discussing AI, because people who discuss AI, they have not done it. In the creative field, creative has a whole different ledge towards it. You have to use it, do something, but don't kind of go and make a claim without proving something. So we literally walked the AI journey. So this is how we are balancing it currently for us.
The critics though, because as you were saying, I'm putting everyone on the spot today. So the critics, say that it's going to hamper creativity and it's going to cut jobs. Your response?
I know, actually I'm giving jobs. So in my team, people got empowered. I had to employ because the script that is written is also a human tool. See, the tool जो बनाएगा, वो human being बनाएगा. जो यूज करेगा वो भी ह्यूमन बीइंग करेगा. तुम किस तरह से यूज कर रहे हो? My field is creative, my field is producing, we're storytellers. So I'm going to use it in the field that I know best. And then we had Mohini which was sitting. So we used it. So I think just use it and don't get caught up in what others are saying. Like we say ना, तुम बढ़ जाओ, कोई तुमको ना करे, but तुमने खुद देखा है क्या? Did you learn it yourself? Then give yourself a no or a yes. And then most of the times in Mohini, it is moving out, So prove something by doing it. and then use it to the best of the advantage that it will allow you to be.
Yeah, you know, that's what PM Modi also said. He said AI will always be aided by human intelligence.
Yes.
That's what you. Now, just talking very quickly, are you seeing demand growing for AI services? This increase of using artificial intelligence for films, for projects.
Yes.
Have you seen this in the last, say, 365 days?
Yes, we have seen that AI is practically now from the last 1 month to the interviews that I'm giving now, you can see the samajh is there. क्योंकि मैंने कुछ दिखाया है उनको. I've given them something to see, so now they see it. But they don't now realize it's AI because they're saying, oh, but we feel something. So you felt it, which means you landed. And going ahead also, like the season 2 is already in writing of Mohini. There are many other stories we have. I'm building an asset library.
Yeah.
Now that's where it will go. Because what we did when movies came, when OTT came, we got used to that system.
Yes.
And we worked that system even for you. You had those kind of interviews and then you had to do this kind of interviews.
Absolutely.
And then they were long after a while. Now we've come into the world where we are ourselves, there are going to be many, many creators. There's going to be a micro drama which is going to be many, many screens are going to get populated. But where will you stand apart? इस तुम्हारी कहानी में दम रखो यार. तुम एक कहानी अच्छी बता दोगे, कोई भी तुम्हारा काम देख लेगा. So we've always been believing in that. Content matters.
Okay.
Who's telling the content also matters. So yeah, we'll be using AI. I'm very proud of it.
चलिए आपकी कहानी पे फिर हम आते हैं. आपकी कहानी के बारे में बताइए. How was your childhood? How did this ruchi for this industry begin? This creative kida in you, and then how did you hone it further?
Yes, so I've been blessed, like I was telling you, to be born in a family which grew up with nothing actually. He was a freedom fighter. He came to Bombay and then made a life becoming a doctor, became a Ayurvedic doctor. My mother, who was a very spirited woman who came from Kanpur to Bombay and held everything and every passion that my father ever wanted to dream with. Having 3 kids, running the production, running the metal, you see that unseen strength. You see why women in this house will be so respected, because he respects that and she respects it back, and there's a timeline over here, and you feel that Shakti within you only when you grow up, because you were not judged, you were not competed upon, you were never told कि वो करी तो तुम ये नहीं, तुमको नाचना है तुम जाओ, तुमको आर्ट्स करना है तुम करो, you know. That thing of accepting a child for what that child is, I think that is the biggest strength my parents would have ever given me. So I think whatever I get today is thanks to them.
Okay.
So yeah, it's been a blessed, very blessed childhood.
You're married to Ram Madhwani,
Yes.
Who's also, of course, a filmmaker who needs no introduction. How much do you guys work at home?
You know, very recently, we made our first feature film, Let's Talk, besides many ads or whatever. And Ram came home, of course, with many awards that we got and everything. I said, you know what, Ram, what we're going to do? Once you come home, I'm Amita, you're Ram, and we have a son. So I said, ye ghar ho jayega, aap papa ho jaoge. And you're going to be normally, wash the dishes, go and put this back, all that. So that's somewhere there, we structured it. Where it became very intense is during COVID. COVID, we did our maximum work. We did Aryavan, we did Dhamaka, we did Arya. So a lot of work was happening. COVID, nowhere else to go except when we were on shoots. Little bit of work did enter. What I have managed to do with the last couple of Waking of a Nation and my Mohini work and all, house has become a temple again. We can discuss, we can talk about things, we can be messaged, but then it's out of the way. Get a life. Because without life, we can't feed a story. You realize that. If you're a storyteller and you're not sensitized to everything else, that's magical. Like I've written something called Kawa Tales. मुझे बच्चों के लिए बनानी है AI पे. Now I won't be able to do that if my mind is not that free. I write lyrics, so that has to come from within me, not because it's a deadline. एक सुर मिल गया लिख दो. You need that freedom of being.
Yes.
And work, you know, because both of us have worked, we literally have grown up at work together. We're partners at work now. So we know each other's strength and we support that. It's a great partnership to have. Yeah. And there is love.
Yeah.
You always protect that.
Yeah.
You know, you say where you come from. Mummy ka naam Prem Maya hai. You come from Prem. Prem will always stay. Now everybody asks me, how do you manage this? I say with love. Yeah. Unconditional, always.
And you know, your USP of your production house, both your production houses and these projects, some of which you mentioned, has been that you've always given actors roles that reinvented them.
Yeah.
You know, be it Sonam Kapoor in an author-backed performance, very, very sensitive portrayal, and she was really praised for that performance. But again, it was something which others would not have thought for her. Be it Kartik Aaryan, he was doing so much comedy. Dhamaka was a very different role for him.
Yes.
Be it Sushmita Sen in this fiery avatar, you know. So this has been a USP, you believe?
This is
Would you
really
agree with me?
USP, like Ram says, I'm surrounded by powerful women, and he portrays that. This strength, it's not about men or women. I always feel we coexist.
Yeah.
कोई तुमको अगर मना कर ले और तुम मान जाओ कि उन्होंने मना किया, तो then you're blaming, but you're mirroring your own anxiety. तुमको नहीं करना होएगा ना, इसीलिए तुम मान गई. My thing has always been that the power on a set or power in a shoot or power in a production is in the surround. It's what energy are you feeding, and what energy is that actor, that even the cameraman, what is he feeling? If they're relaxed and they're not stressed about it, now that's a person's job. It's an energy field you create. I think Ram and me work very hard towards this. I think we're drawn towards energies. As you grow older, I think you protect your frequency a lot more.
Yeah.
कहाँ डालना है, कहाँ नहीं डालना है ना? तो ये जो उनको मिलता है, is the then you partake that energy. It's the actor's energy and what we are getting on screen, but what you protected behind got that actor there. So yeah, I think energy fields, the mixing of this is storytellers. I think the first rules.
Yeah.
We have seen that operating. Yeah. We know it works. You know.
Yeah.
If somebody's in your field and giving you a negative vibe or not making it happen,
चलेगा.
you'll still do your work. तो तुम हट जाओगे ना थोड़ी देर के
No,
बाद.
it's worked. It's worked. As we've seen. Okay, final question. What does the future hold? क्या आ रहा है next?
क्या आ रहा है next? आ रहा है AR season 2 of Mohini. We are writing it. There are 5-6 other projects in AI that we want to develop. We have a whole library of now balancing the real world and the AI world. That has got feature films, that's got OTT shows, that's got AI. And also she's become an influencer. So Mohini is now become an influencer. So she'll be going a lot more for brand associations, industry stories. I think the tie-up has begun.
Great.
So I think that world, walk it with her. She's 25. I'm at my age. We are walking together. It's great fun. And to my team,
Wow.
you know, I have young people in my team. They are owning this story. And they're right here, Mamta Mehak and Aditya.
Yeah.
And they're walking this journey with full belief and
Lovely.
strength. So she's many more stories from us. That's what I'm hoping.
Looking forward to that. Thank you so much for joining
Thank
us
you
today.
so
Thank you.
much for your patience.